What does a $2.7 million brand new house at Aina Haina look like? Let's find out. Today we're at this beautiful brand new home in Aina Haina. The address is 637 Hain Eco Drive. It was finished in 2022. Are you ready for this grand trip? Let's start. First, let's walk into the entrance. So the house, everything is a 4,000 square feet house sitting on 7,500 square feet lot. Let's come to the stairway. In the entrance, this is a big piece of metal door, very modern look, because now we are more. So this is a door gate into the grand entrance. Let's come in. So the house is sitting on the wider street of Aina Haina in the valley, very quiet area. Look at this staircase. It's motion sensor staircase with luxury vinyl flooring. And look at this stairs, very modern look. On my right hand side, there is a first bedroom, but owner has transferred its own office. Let's come in, take a look. Have you seen this coffee table? Look what's inside. 2 records from 1980s, but they look so new. Doesn't look like from 40 years ago. Look at this. And this is the windows with window treatments. You can see, you can put your office over here, but owner chose to put his office over there, over this place. So it's very convenient. And here's a lot of space for the closets. And look at this ceiling fan with a new Mitsubishi split AC all through the house. Do you like this office? Walk around and there's a TV. So you can watch TV in your office, have a Zoom meeting conference. Very thoughtful thinking. It's a good size office. Let's go to see other bed. So this is nice motion sensor staircase with the glass railing, glass panels. On my left hand side, there is a smaller sitting area. The owner designed this for kids play. Look at this rug, very colorful with a Mitsubishi split AC. This is a really big space. The whole family can enjoy some good TV shows, or watch football, soccer game, baseball. You can sit like 6, 7 people, no problem. And there's a mini refrigerator for your beverage. What a thoughtful idea. So I like this blue color. And there's an entrance go outside. We will look at the big yard, 7,500 square feet yard later on. But let's look at the laundry room. So 3 steps down, there's a big laundry room. And here's a 2-car garage. The garage is over 500 square feet. Has plenty of space. Let's take a quick look. And this is a big laundry room with plenty of countertops. A lot of drawers. You can put the whole family clothing in this place. And there's a 2 big washer dryer. And there's a lot of cabinets. Look straight up this side. This is a secret entryway. So the upstairs is a primary bedroom. Primary bedroom, there is a closet under the sink. You can throw your clothing down here. How convenient is that? So you don't have to carry all your laundry from upstairs. You just drop down, kind of like a service function in a restaurant. You put your food down. And here's a big deep farm sink for you to rinse your clothes. So here are the shoe rack for you walking from the beach or garage. You can put your shoes here and get ready to see other 3 bedrooms. And on my right hand side, next to the living room, there is a full bath with a shower. And this is a raised sink, quartz countertops, big mirror. Look at this backsplash. I love this color of the backsplash. Green, blue, very ocean look. and nice flooring. Go to the shower door. This is a pretty big shower with a rainfall shower head, and also there is another faucet over here for your convenience. Sometimes I like to use this instead of this. The big shower space for you to enjoy. And let's close this sliding door. Very smooth and very light. Let's look at the other 2 bedrooms, shall we? This is a big bedroom with a look at this structure. It's with a luxury vinyl flooring. And this bed, I like this bed because you walk upstairs, plenty of storage. You don't need a dresser. Lot of space for your clothing. And you can even put a little pet sleep underneath. Besides, this is all movable. If you don't like this configuration, you can take everything down and put this on the side. Put whatever the shape and features you want. And inside this bedroom, there's an ensuite bathroom with a raised tub. This is a raised tub with a big mirror, white quartz countertops. And the second bathroom is with the gold. This is a gold color, gold, white, and black. That's a new trend for the architect now. Look at this gold color rainfall shower, big rainfall shower with another faucet you can use, shower head you can use, and this big piece of panels for the shower, and very high ceiling too. This little space. I like this shower door, very smooth. And look at this, very sleek look. So this is a totally one suite, can be used as a, another like a bedroom suite. And there is a little corner you can work here, put a laptop. I like a lot of small features of this house, very personal and very practical too. On my left hand side, there is a 3rd bedroom downstairs. So this little office corner, and there's a lot of space for your books and toys. And you can actually a lot of storage. You can let your dog sleep inside. Or if you don't like this, you can take this out and use the whole floor. So it's a very flexible floor plan for you with a Mitsubishi split AC. I like this little machine. I don't know what's this for. Do you know what's this for? Yeah, it's cool. The owner has a lot of cool stuff in the house. That's nice, weapons. And this little corner. Oh, look at this toys. So cute. And so 3 bedroom and downstairs, and upstairs has main living area and a primary bedroom and a bathroom. Let's walk up to see the upstairs. Now we finished touring downstairs, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Let's go upstairs. In front of after the entrance, there's a motion sensor lighting on the stairs. See, they turn on themselves. So light up the stairways for you to walk up. Look how sleek looks this is. I really love these handles with the glass panels. Very expensive, but very modern look. Are you ready for this grand kitchen upstairs? This is a very top of line appliances. Use stainless steel Thermador appliances all over in the kitchen. This is a huge double door fridge. Look, you can cook put big household stuff here. And look at this granite countertops. Beautiful, nice, natural van countertop. You can see, go take a close look at the very clear van matched countertops. And 9-foot countertops, total 9-foot with here's a stove, big fridge, and good 6 gas burner gas stove. Look at this. I love this Thermador appliances. Big, powerful ventilation right over here. And look at this countertops and backsplash with the golden color handles, white cabinets, very contemporary look, and deep farm sink. We can have a big party over here. And dishwasher, Thermador has very high quality appliances. And look at this oven. Oh, do you know what's this? This actually is a pot filler, so you don't need to drag water from there. You can just fill in, cook pasta, cook anything, fill the water in your pot. How convenient is this? I love this kitchen, and this 9-foot countertops. It's very wide. You can sit 4 people. Actually, you can sit 6 people here to eat. Very easy. Cook some steaks, chicken, cow beef, vegetables, or make some sushi too. Do you know the little secret in this kitchen? Take a guess. Where's the secret place in this kitchen? What's this door? What's this barn door for? Let me find out. Ta-da! Did you know that? There's a big food pantry right inside, but it's covered by the door. I was wondering what this door for, because I thought it was a cutting space over there, but it's not wide enough. Let's walk around this beautiful kitchen. Here's a 4-bar chair, and on my right hand side there is a big dining table. So you can sit in here, entertain your guests. Easily sitting 6 people in this place with a beautiful mountain view. On my right hand side, that's Wailaiki. Yeah, that's Wailaiki, next Aina Haina, next to Wailaiki and Hawaii Low Ridge. But you don't need to drive up the hill. And look at this chandelier. So beautiful, golden color. Very bold windows everywhere. Look at the backyard. And guess where this entrance is? This is a Lanai, big white Lanai. Go outside. It's kind of hot on the flooring. So this is another chilling space for you to entertain the guests. So you can oversee the beautiful backyard with a lot of fruit trees, mango trees everywhere. Neighbors' mango trees are already fruiting. The house has own mango trees, guava trees, papayas, all you can think of. So the house go all the way to the rock wall over there. So 7,500 square feet, plenty of space, very smart draining system. And this is a 10-foot rock wall they built, very deep and very solid. Oh, look at the little dog and cat. A lot of fruit trees, and those also planter box for you to plant some vegetables, tomatoes, basils, anything you want. Let's come in and took a quick walkthrough of the grand area. So this area has a 10-foot ceiling with planted recessed lighting. And look at this chandelier in the kitchen. Beautiful, never seen this type of chandelier. It's beautiful. And look at that chandelier. And this is a 14-foot ceiling. On this grand living area upstairs, there's a big, beautiful bathroom right here. It's actually ADA proof, because see, you can walk right in the shower space. This is a huge rainfall shower. Another thing is that very thoughtful. They have another shower head for you to use. And look at this backsplash. Beautiful. They use a lot of black color, very bold, because not a lot of houses they use black color as the new design. The owner is very thoughtful, and with 10-foot ceiling in the bathroom. And here's the total toilet and razor sink. See, very contemporary look. So on my left hand side after the bathroom is the primary bedroom and primary bath. What's the most exciting part of this house is upstairs grand living area. Look at this with 14-foot ceiling with plenty of windows, huge windows everywhere. And the whole house has over 120 lights. You never short of lights. And look at this sitting area. Huge sitting area with nice coffee table. That TV is like 80 inches or 100 inches. You can watch the Super Bowl here with the whole family, with a beautiful even ocean view and mountain view in the back. And Mitsubishi split AC. So comfortable. I can just take a nap in this living room. I love this color tone, very modern look. Let's walk around this living area. Do you love coffee? Do you love espresso? If you do, you will love this Gagano coffee machine. Look at this. It's like a hotel, like a Hilton Hawaiian Village kind of design. And let's walk in. Here is a little bar. Do you like little cocktails? Mai Tais, whiskeys, plenty cocktail drinks for you. Even have a Japanese whiskey over here. And look at this stone. Cocktail bar area with black quartz countertops and a wine, a beverage fridge, lot black drawers, cabinets. Everything is black windows. Very bold color in this house. Also very modern. And over this side, it's a big windows towards the streets. And you can see a little bit Peaky Blue ocean view in Wildlife Golf Course from here. It's a blue, deep blue ocean water. And here's the Lanai. Would you like to walk around the Lanai? Let me open this place. So this is a really big Lanai with a fresh air. Look at this ocean with nice railing and waterproof, termite proof, wrapping around Lanai of the whole house. Oh my gosh, this is huge. I come here to look at the backyard. This place, Aina Haina, is very safe. You can pretty much leave the door open. This is a gorgeous custom design new home in Aina Haina. Do you like our tour? We just recap this tour. The house has a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, and total is 3,500 square feet, sitting on 7,500 square feet lot, built in 2022. Do you like this house? If you want to see more brand new houses or any houses, penthouse or condos, just smash the like button, like and subscribe. Or better yet, go to myoahurealtor.com and look at more houses and keep you updated. Or just become member of Buying Hawaii. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call. We can set a Zoom meeting or meeting in person. Hope you see you next time. Mahalo.